What's poppin'? Today is Friday, November 1st. It is 11 o'clock in the morning, and I just got out of the shower into some warmer pajamas because, you guys, it is a freezer outside. It is a freezer outside, and what I mean by that is we are under a severe, I almost said strict, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning, thunderstorm and high wind warning. We had the thunderstorm last night, so that's pretty much over, but we are still in for some, high winds, which have been going on since last night, all night long and all day long until tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night. Who knows? Tomorrow could actually mean today, considering the winds and everything started last night. So, I don't know. I just know that we are under severe high winds, so let's hope that everybody stays safe. Stay indoors unless you really need to. If need be, need to go outdoors. Stay inside as best as you can.
I'm old with this place.
I went through almost 10 minutes on hold with my dentist in order to make a cleaning. It's time for my annual cleaning, and so I usually get a notice in the mail. And you usually, for this place, you have to schedule the first of every month to schedule for the next month. But I was on hold for almost 10 minutes, and the lady, then she got on the phone, and she explained to me, which this is really no problem. She explained to me to call back next Wednesday. So today is the 1st. That calendar's not set up yet. Today is the 1st, so she said Wednesday the 13th to call back. Well, yeah, Wednesday the 13th, that's next Wednesday. But anyway, I guess I got that semi taken care of. It's now almost 11:15, and yeah, I guess I got that taken care of. I mean, anyways, enough with that. Enough waiting for phone calls. I called the dentist like I was supposed to. Pretty sure there was like another call I was supposed to do. I'm not sure. I'll think about it and see about any other calls. Ever since we got our new faucet installment, it's been insanely slow on how to fill up things. Like, I'm not kidding. The pace of trying to fill up something is like a snail. So, my mom explained if you put your whatever you're trying to fill up, put a funnel in to fill up our water pitcher, should work. So it looks like this. You see how much quicker this has started I almost said fold up, to fill up. This is filled up so much faster. So I thank my mother for that little hack. on trying to fill this up quicker. It just got really bright in here because it's really, really sunny outside, yet it's like really cool. Like, it's like 45 degrees. The high today is supposed to be like only 50, and then throughout the weekend it's supposed to be 45, 50 degrees all weekend. So we're getting into the late fall weather. It is 2:27 and we're still, I don't know if we're still under the wind warning. It's still very windy outside, but I'm not sure what we're up against here. Let's see. If this will load up, please. This is for all the high wind warning counties. Super cold just from the door. Nice to see that. Look at that. He's just sitting here like a statue. Oh, now you're washing your face. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Ah! There he goes. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Oh my gosh. That was awesome. I have no idea where that squirrel went. Probably underneath this little porch. But, oh my gosh. That was awesome. That squirrel just, like, did a prance across this person's little front lawn. Oh, bright. I'm going to attempt not to let the wind blow everything away because we have some stuff. But it looks like just mainly, you get a lot of junk mail. Ah, it is still kind of windy. Oh, God. Here you go. Not a cookie. This is not clickbait, but I was literally, because I can't see past all the other cars that park along the road, almost was roadkill. I took 2 bites of this. And I immediately felt sick for some reason. I'm gonna try a couple more, but I do not like force myself to eat it because I am hungry. But I left my hair pulled back in a slight bun just in case. Plus, it was very warm. I think that was another reason. I think I was very warm.